in honor of Professor Mahendra D. Sirsat, Dean, Faculty of Science and Technology, an eminent scientist, an inspiring teacher, and a respected mentor who will be superannuating in the May 2026. We stand at a moment of coil fulfillment where days of intense deliberation, shared curiosity, and collective learning gently come to the meaningful close. We are pleased to inform you that our esteemed dignitaries are just on the dais. May I request the auditorians to welcome them with a warm and respectful round of applause, expressing our gratitude for their presence and audience. Dear audience, it gives us an immense pleasure and deep satisfaction to welcome you all to the valedictory function of this successful and intellectually enriching conference. Over the past few days, this platform was witnessed insightful deliberations, stimulating discussion, and sincere academic engagement. Ideas were exchanged, collaborations were envisioned, and knowledge was celebrated not as an end but as a shared journey. Today's session marks the formal conclusion of our deliberation. Yet the spirit, inspiration, and impact of this conference will continue to resonate beyond these walls. ज्ञान की साधना का आज समापन नहीं बल्कि अनुभवों की नई शुरुआत है. Dear friends, I now have the honor and privilege to introduce our distinguished dignitaries on the dais whose presence has greatly enriched this conference. The president of this valedictory function is Professor Valmik Sarvadesa, who is the Pro-Vice Chancellor of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. As a chief guest, we have with us Honorable Professor Ashok Mahajan Sir, Pro-Vice Chancellor Swami Ramandir Tirth Marathwada University, Nanded. Our esteemed guest of honor, Professor Prashant Amrutkar Sir, Registrar Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. We have also with us as a guest of honor, Dr. Furan Singh, Inter-University Accelerator Center, New Delhi, India, and Professor Yanel Singh Sir, Delhi Skill and Entrepreneurship University, New Delhi, India. We also on the dais, Professor Mahendra D. Sirsat Sir, Dean, Faculty of Science and Technology of this our university. We have Professor Parveena Pawar Ma'am, Chairperson of this conference, B.N. Dore Sir, the convener, and just we have with us Professor Prabhakar Undre Sir, the organizing secretary of the conference. We extend a warm and respectful welcome to all the dignitaries on the dais. May I request everyone to kindly raise and put your hands together to welcome our dignitaries. इनके लिए यही कहा जा सकता है कि जहाँ इल्म और तजुर्बे की रोशनी साथ चले वहीं से रहनुमाई के रास्ते निकलते हैं.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's proceed with Pratima Pujan, reflecting our respect for the great visionaries who continuously guide our academic, ethical, and social journey. May I kindly request the dignitaries on the dais to perform the Pratima Pujan. समतेचा ज्ञान सूर्य, शिक्षण, संघटन, संघर्ष, अंधारातला प्रकाशस्तंभ, संविधान रूपी अमृतकुंभ असणारे डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर. मोजू तरी कशी बाबासाहेब उंची तुमच्या कर्तृत्वाची, जगाला शिकविली व्याख्या मानसातल्या माणुसकीची, मानसातल्या माणुसकीची. छत्रपती शिवरायांच्या प्रतिमेचं पूजनही मान्यवरांच्या हस्ते संपन्न होत आहे. गडपती, भूपती, प्रजापती, श्रीपती, राजनीती धुरंधर, प्रौढ प्रताप पुरंदर, गनिमी कावा प्रणेते, अष्टावधानी, अष्टप्रधान संशोधक, न्याय अलंकार पंडित, सिंहासनाधीश्वर, योगीराज, राजमान्य राजश्री, श्रीमंत श्री श्री छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांच्या प्रतिमेचं पूजनही मान्यवरांच्या हस्ते संपन्न होत आहे. निश्चयाचा महामेरू, बहुत जनांसी आधारू, अखंड स्थितीचा निर्धारू, श्रीमंत योगी. मान्यवरांच्या हस्ते डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर आणि छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांच्या प्रतिमेचं पूजन संपन्न झालेलं आहे. शिवरायांचे 8वावे रूप, शिवरायांचा 8वावा प्रताप, शिवरायांचा 8वावा साक्षेप, भूमंडळी. महामानव डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर आणि छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांना कोटी कोटी प्रणाम करून या समारोप समारंभाचा शुभ आरंभ आपण केलेला आहे.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is the time to welcome our esteemed dignitaries on the dais. ये स्वागत ही नहीं सम्मान है, ये स्वागत नहीं सम्मान है, ये ज्ञान की दीपों का अभिवादन है ये. May I request Professor M.D. Sirsat sir to welcome the president of our valedictory function, respected Professor Valmik Sarvade sir, Pro-Vice Chancellor of our university. Sir, please. May I request respected Sarvade sir, Pro-Vice Chancellor of our university, to welcome our chief guest Professor Ashok Mahajan sir, Pro-Vice Chancellor Swami Ramanand Tirth, Marathwada University, Nanded. इल्म जब ओहदों से मिल जाए तो संस्था है मिसाल बन जाया करती हैं. इल्म जब ओहदों से मिल जाए तो संस्था है मिसाल बन जाया करती हैं.
Thank you, sir. May I humbly request Professor B.N. Dole, sir, to welcome our guest of honor, Professor Prashant Amrutkar, sir, Registrar, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Marathwada University, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. Thank you, sir. May I now request Professor Praveena Pawar, madam, to welcome our guest of honor, Dr. N.L. Singh, sir, from DSC University, New Delhi, India. Thank you. May I now request Dr. Professor Undre, sir, to welcome our guest of honor, Professor Foran Singh, sir, from IUAC, New Delhi, India. Thank you, sir.
Now we have a small felicitation here. Dr. Milind Bodke, Dr. Varade sir and Dr. Kumarkar wants to felicitate Professor M.D. Sirsat sir. Please come on the dais. Please sir. जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत होना चाहिए. Professor Milind Bodke sir, Professor Varade sir and Dr. Kumar from Modern College, Pune. One more felicitation is there. Dr. Yanyan Shejwal sir, New Engineering College, Pune, also wants to give a memento to M.D. Sirsat sir. Please, Shejwal sir, please come on the dais. जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत होना चाहिए. फेलिसिटेशन करने वालों की लिस्ट बहुत लंबी है. हम सबसे माफ़ी चाहते हैं कि सबका हम साथ नहीं दे पाए. ये अपने आप में एक खूबसूरत लम्हा कि एक मेंटर को इस तरह से विदाई दी जा रही है इंटरनेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस द्वारा. Now one more felicitation is there. Yanel Singh sir and Foran Singh sir also want to. देखिए अपने आप में बहुत ही सम्मानित है ये. जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत होना चाहिए कि गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर भी अपने आप को नहीं बचा शायद सम्मान करने से.
Thank you, sir. This conference is a memory of many sentiments, like heart card memories, new friend circles, established collaborations, novel research insights. May I now request convener of this conference, respected Professor B.N. Dole, sir, to disseminate the benchmarks during the 3 days through their proceeding.
Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, Professor Valmik Sarvade, Registrar, Professor Prashant Amrutkar, Chief Guest, Professor Mahajan Sir, Pro Vice Chancellor Swami Ramanand Tirth Marathwada University, Nanded, Guest of Honor, Dr. Phauran Singh, Scientist G, Inter University Excellence Center, New Delhi, and Professor N.L. Singh, New Delhi, Skill and Entrepreneurship, Chairman of the ICS 2026, Professor P.S. Ugele Madam, Organizing Secretary Dr. Prabhakar Undre, and the Chairman of the Technical Committees, and my dear friend, Professor Mahendra Shirsat Sir, in whose the honor this conference was organized on the occasion of his retirement, and dear participants. The conceptualization and groundwork of this conference began in January 2025 with the first formal announcement released in same month. Thereafter, we constituted a framework of governance through the formation of the International Advisory Committee, National Advisory Committee, and local advisory committees. Each committee functioned with exceptional commitment, cohesion, and precision. The collective and tireless efforts of these committees yielded an overwhelming response. More than the 464 registrations, reflecting the academic relevance and global appeal of this conference. The event further attained an international stature with the participation of 12 distinguished international guests representing South Korea, Egypt, Poland, Taiwan, Jordan, Slovakia, Japan, France, and USA, firmly establishing this conference as truly global scholarly convergence. Selected papers